today's video I'll show you why I'm overall bearish on Bitcoin and partially bullish on Bitcoin for the shorter time frame, but overall bearish. So first of all, I'm on the weekly time frame and I hope you can see this ascending broadening wedge which did not play out. Its initial target was here, but the price in from the between it got a reversal to the downside, and also it also did a perfect retest here, confirming this pattern to be a real and legit breakdown. The target of these types of patterns is all the way down from the beginning of these patterns. So if we consider the beginning of the pattern, which is coming at approx $16,480 level, or maybe we can say the half target also, which is here at $20,000 level. Okay, so now if you think that that pattern is not correct and it's an incorrect pattern, so do have a look here. We can consider this as a head and shoulder pattern also. Left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder. And this is a real pattern. So it also confirms that a breakdown is successful, and now the price will go all the way down here. And the target is also coming approx at $20,000 levels only. And also do have a look how the price was at lower and then found higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then higher low. So this is a very important support right there. If the price breaks this support to the downside, then it can heavily go down all the way to $20,000 level. Also do have a look at this Bitcoin weekly time frame chart, and this parabolic curve support, and I'm not on the logarithmic chart, it's the default chart. See how this parabolic support played very well, and right now recently the price broke it with a perfect retest. So maybe there for the short term the price can go all the way up again to $31,000, but overall I'm pretty sure that it's gonna fall to $20,000 and then rise up again near the Bitcoin halving. Okay, so at the last I'm on the Bitcoin CME futures chart, and I have drawn a Fibonacci level from here, this level 14,000 or approx 15,000 to this high at approx $31,000, and the important 0.5 and 0.6 zone is coming over here, which is also near the $20,000 level only approx. So there are chances that the price can fall over, all the way down here to complete its target, and then when we can see either a reversal to upside or a breakdown. And also look at this CME gap that is left behind and still not filled. This gap on 13th of March 2023 approx at $20,800. So this gap is also unfilled, so there are chances that the price can fall all the way down here to fill this gap also. So these are all my analysis today, all the Bitcoin bearish analysis, and why I feel for that for the longer term the Bitcoin price will see a huge downfall to the $20,000 level. Do share your comment and do share your analysis also. And this is it for today's video. See you guys in the next time.